suit like a riddle, black suit look denim, black suit little denim. Hey guys. Hey beautiful queens, I'm back with a new video. Yes, y'all, I did do something different than my norm. I usually post hair videos, but I did tell y'all that I wasn't gonna be doing other stuff on my channel. I did go ahead and pierce my ears and made a video on it. But before we get into that, y'all, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you like anything on this channel. Comment and like and check out my other videos. Now let's go ahead and get started into how I pierce my ears. I pierced my ears about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I pierced the left side of my ear, and then I did go ahead and pierce the right side of my ear a week or 2 later. And I pierced my ears with this ear piercing kit that I got off Amazon. It has 10 piercing guns in here. And it does come with some earrings, y'all. I want to pierce my ears to do something different. And this is what my ears look like now. I just have 1 ear piercing. And I want to do about 4 or 5 piercings, y'all. I don't want to go all the way up. They do come in these packs of alcohol. Multiple packs of alcohol. They also come with some earrings. And I love jewelry, y'all. I love real jewelry. I think it just, you know, kind of makes your look more popping. It don't have to be real jewelry, but yeah, jewelry period. I love, you know, gold jewelry. I think it looks good with my skin. But these are, of course, fake. I would have to wait a certain time until I get some new earrings. Like, they just come in these packs like this, and there's multiple of them. Like I said, it's 10 of them, I believe. You need a Sharpie as well to mark exactly where you want to pierce your ears at. Like I said, I want to do 4 or 5. And I do want to go ahead and take my earring out just so that I can line my new hole up with my old hole. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my earring. Yeah, let me go ahead and clean my ears first. Number 1, clean my fingers. So the alcohol pad just come in these little thin alcohol pads. I'm going to go ahead and clean my ears. Front and back. I'm going to clean the front and back. Move my hair out the way. Let me just put this up because my hair is a little greasy, y'all. So just clean my ears. Okay, queen, so I am back, and I did go ahead and make some markings on my ear. I did also get my mirror, y'all. I did have one of these mirrors, but I think it looks good right now, y'all. I mean, once it's pierced, it's pierced. So I was confused. I didn't know if I was supposed to take these earrings out that they gave me and put them in here. I don't know. It didn't come with any directions. I want to go ahead and try to get these open. Having a hard time getting it open. Okay, so I just peeled it open. It just peels. And I'm just going to use another one of my alcohol pads to clean this off with. I'm going to just save the same alcohol pad to clean all my earrings off with, all the piercings. We're going to go ahead and put this near me, near my ears. I'm going to line this up, make sure y'all see it. This is with the first one. It's pretty much on there. I'm gonna go ahead and go 1, 2, 3. So I did the first one, y'all. And it's not as painful as I thought it was. I'm going to go ahead and put my earring back in just so I can see how it looks. Hopefully it's not too close to my other piercing, my original piercing. So it doesn't take that long and it's not that painful. Just right in there. You have to push the back of it in to make sure that it's all the way in there. I'm going to go ahead and earring is a little bit big, so hopefully it's not too close to my other earring. It seems like it is a little bit. It's hard for me to put this back on. No, it's not. So That's the second one. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them. Try to do 4, y'all. Here's a little tearing part right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. For the second one, I'm gonna take my alcohol pad again and rinse that off. We'll wipe this off with my alcohol pad. Check with this mirror. And I really can't even really see how it looks, y'all. It's hard for me to really see my ear. Let me show y'all the second piercing again. I want to go ahead and check, make sure double check. I want to go ahead and push this one through, y'all. So 1, 2, 3, I'm going to go and press. That's that one, and you want to go ahead and press it in. Press it back in. 2 down, 2 more to go. Get off with the alcohol pad. I really can't see if they're straight. It looks like they're straight. Go ahead and line this one up. I want to go ahead and pierce it, so I'm gonna go ahead and go now. 1, 2, 3. One more to go. And there is something that keeps falling off the back of them. In case y'all wondering, in case y'all hear, it's just these little plastic things that come on them. So I have one more to go. Clean this last one off with an alcohol pad again. Go in with the last one. Go ahead and do the last one. This is the last and final one. Whew. A little hard to see. My underarms are starting to sweat. Here goes nothing. I hope this is straight. 1, 2, 3. Hey y'all. So here it is. I am officially done, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all like it. Hopefully these are even. And this is what it looks like now. And if I do any more, I will come back to show y'all. I will come back to show y'all how well it's healing and everything like that, how I've been taking care of it. So that's what my ears look like, y'all. I think it looks pretty even for the first time. I did pierce 4 of them. Let me know if y'all think I should pierce any more. Let me know if y'all think I'm crazy for piercing my ears. Let me know y'all's ear piercing experience, if y'all have any good ones or not.
Thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all again next time. Bye.